All right, so we got this reading problem. We got a new reading program versus a control group, and then they're given students are given a reading comprehension exam, and then we got a back-to-back STEM and LEAP display. All right, so here is what we are going to do. We're going to put all of these scores into here, and then we would calculate our one bar stats. Okay, so we got 52.722 for one, and then let's see what happens with the other. That's for L2. This is for the control group. I got 41.8, and N is, I got 22. Okay. All right, so those are what my stats look like. So we've got to test the hypothesis, right? So P is the parameter. So the mu of nu is the average reading score from the new program. And then mu of C would be the average reading score from the old program. Okay? My hypothesis, mu H of O. Okay? Mu of N equals mu of C. And what do I want to see happen? Well, I want to see the new one be higher, so I'm going to do mu of N is greater than mu of C. The assumptions and conditions, okay? Students were randomly assigned to class. 18 and 20. The two are both less than 10% of all students that are learning to read. Okay. The samples, or the groups in this case, are independent. And the nice thing about this one is they gave us a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. So all we got to do is look at that. Well, both of them are roughly unimodal and symmetric. We don't even have to go and look at anything. So both distributions are unimodal and symmetric. Those are what we got, okay? So we're going to name the test. This is going to be a 2-sample t-test. And all of our statistics are right up there. You would copy those down, okay? That's the name of the test. And then there's the test statistics. Okay, so in this case, we've already done all those, okay? Now we got to obtain P. So we got to get a t-score. So T is going to equal the difference minus difference of the means minus 0 over the square root of the standard deviation squared over n. So we add the variances. Okay, so that's what we wind up with. So now we've done that whole deal. So let's go to the calculator. We're going to go to 2-samp t-test, and we're going to use data from L1 and L2. And we think that L1 is greater, so we're going to push the greater than sign. Make sure you push enter. We're not going to pool. And we want you to draw that for us, please. Thank you very much, Mr. Calculator. So the calculator will draw that up, and look at that. We get a t-value of 2.58 and a big p-value of 0.0071. So we're going to draw that on our paper. So we're going to get a t-value, and we're going to draw that. Big P is 0.0071, so that's less than 0.05. Make decision. We reject H of O at the 0.05 level. State the conclusion. Okay, since P equals 0.0071, there is strong evidence that the mean scores using the new reading program, are greater than the mean scores using the old program. So in other words, what does that mean? Program appears to work. Okay, the new program, that is. So that's what our conclusion is.